Okay, I want to show you quickly how to use, or maybe a walkthrough on how to use the pipeline under Go High Level. This depending on the sub account that you are in. Nevertheless, we are inside an opportunity card. Okay, inside this opportunity card, obviously there might be some more details here at the top depending on how the ad or the automations have been structured in the workflow. Nevertheless, once you open a new card, I'm not going to open a new one because I've already fulfilled this one, so I just want to walk you through exactly all the things that you maybe need to look at changing. So once you've looked at a card and you want to contact this person, or you are busy contacting this person, all you need to do is obviously look that they've got their name, email, and a full number here. Their opportunity name, like I said, will change sometimes depending on how the automations have been set up, and this opportunity name is also the one that will be on top here. Make sure that obviously this will show the pipeline that you're currently working in. This is how you change the stage. Obviously it was under new lead, but I've contacted this customer, Pauline, and we had a great conversation about everything. However, she is obviously going to be in our follow-up in the future stage for now because she's currently got someone that she's running on a trial. Nevertheless, once you've done that, you need to then assign it to yourself, whoever is in charge of this client's card or this opportunity card. And that's currently what I've done. I've assigned it to myself. So hopefully that Jaden or whoever else is in the organization of 333 will not contact this person unless I've given them permission to, and vice versa. So opportunity source, you can say whatever you want in here, whether that be the Facebook form. It will sometimes pull through depending on the automation setup. But once you are having the call with the client, the most important thing you need to do is come here. Let's just confirm that for now. I'll update the other settings just now. Once you are busy talking to the client, this is your notes section. Make sure you take notes of what is happening with the client's call and what they are saying. Special notes. So for example, she's currently running a trial period with someone. I asked her if she's happy. She said she's happy with the client. However, she feels more confident with me. Look at the email and WhatsApp that I have sent now. I have already popped there an email and a WhatsApp. As you can see, she's already replied. Check that. Great stuff. And I just make a note of it so I know I've made previous comms with the client, and obviously where am I moving her to in our pipeline, which is follow-up in the future. So let's look for follow-up in the future. Once that is clicked, I just press update, and it will move the client automatically to that stage. Great. So Pauline, once we refresh here, won't appear in our new leads column. She'll be moved to our follow-up in the future column. Okay, this one. That's how you navigate and work through new leads coming in the pipeline. Depending on the pipeline, obviously make sure you follow this similar rules and structure around how to do this.